Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the basics of Korean, simple vowels. Get ready to master these building blocks of the language and have some fun along the way. Let's get started.
아, 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 야, 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 어, 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 여, 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 오, 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 요, 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 우, 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 유, 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 으, 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 이, 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 이.
That's it for today. But wait, you've got some homework. Your task is to write all the vowels 5 times. Practice makes perfect, so grab your notebook and get started. Don't forget to grab your worksheets from the description box.